Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to safely remove the battery from your Buick Enclave. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the key is removed. Safety is paramount, so please wear appropriate eye protection and gloves. You will need a few basic tools, including a Torx driver and common socket sizes like 10mm and 13mm. The battery in your Buick Enclave is uniquely located under the floor, directly behind the front passenger seat. To access it, first remove any floor mats. Then, carefully lift the plastic trim panel to reveal the battery compartment cover. Use your Torx driver to remove the single bolt holding this cover in place, then set the cover aside. Now it's time to disconnect the battery terminals. Always start with the negative or black terminal first. Use a 10mm socket to loosen the nut, then carefully lift the cable off the post. Secure this cable away from any metal to prevent sparks. Next, repeat this process for the positive or red terminal. With the terminals disconnected, unhook the battery vent tube and remove the hold-down clamp, typically with a 13mm socket and extension. Car batteries are heavy, often weighing 40 to 60 pounds, so lift with your legs to avoid injury. Once the old battery is out, place your new one in, secure the hold down, and reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.